Welcome back to Project Assistant. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at the features on the task screen. The task screen is used to plan and manage the details of a task. Double-click a task group to view all tasks within the group. Then double-click the task you'd like to work on. The task title is across the top of the screen. Click the pencil to edit. Its task group is displayed above the title. Clicking the arrow to the left of the title will take you back to the task group screen. Click the paper clip to attach a document or access documents that have been attached. Click the list icon to toggle back to the main task view. On the left side of the task screen, you can select the appropriate status for the task. Select the person to assign to the task. Adding a new person will automatically add them to the team. And identifying an item as a priority will be displayed on the task list. Finally, enter a detailed description of the task. Thanks for watching. For more information, click the question mark in the upper right corner.